everybody, and welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been a while, but right now I am at the junkyard because today is going to be another interesting day. And the reason why I say that is because I'll just park right here, is because I need to get some parts for my other car. I need to get an ECU and get some injector cables, some fuel injectors, you guys know what I mean. And I think for Panda, I think I need to get some bumper tabs. I need to fix the rear bumper as well. Your boy didn't eat nothing yet. It is currently 9 o'clock on the dot because the junkyard opens at 9, so I made sure I was here. You guys gotta understand, off camera work and training and trying to vlog and edit. I just finished the 2 videos you guys watched recently. If you guys are watching this one, it was already difficult because my camera broke, so I'm using my phone, and that's why I'm using my phone now. So if you guys are wondering why the quality looks a little different, if it looks good, let me know. If it looks bad, let me know. Just comment your opinion down below, so that way I should figure out what to do before I buy my new camera. My lanyard broke. Look, this is my favorite one too. It just like fell off. Well, good thing I bought this. So we stuck with this for a while. I'm gonna miss you. Okay guys, even though I'm here at the junkyard looking for the part in all these cars, I'm not gonna show you guys the car yet. So I'm gonna have to wait until we go pick up the car tomorrow. This just came in right now. 93 hatch. Okay, and this bumper right here for the Honda Civic, I think because this is like hella flush, and this is what I need to fix on my car before I ever install that kit. But I think technically I just need to hammer this bracket up, and it makes the rest of the bumper go up. I will take these just in case, these little things here. And I already took one off the other Civic, so I'm gonna take this one off. But I just think I should hammer this little piece right here up and make it flat, and then reinstall the bumper. Guys, I haven't found nothing yet, but oh wait, oh shit, I found it. I really want to show you guys, but I am not gonna do that. I dropped my juice. Hopefully it has what I'm looking for, but this is all I'm gonna show you guys. That's it. All right, done. That's done. Don't even ask. Nope, don't even ask. And damn, some already took the fuel injectors that I need from here. Let me check and see if I can grab the ECU. And damn, they took that too. I gotta find another one. Okay, so there's only one model of the car. It definitely got the fuel injectors. I got all 4 of those with the seals and everything in all great condition actually, but I did not get the ECU. I think tomorrow I'm going to go to another junkyard, and then from there hopefully it has the car there. Tomorrow early in the morning I'm picking up my homeboy. We're gonna go drive out there, pick up the car. I guess that's the plan for tomorrow. Today's plan is done so far. Do that, let's go to the gym, because your boy lost 20 pounds and I'm still sexy. That's right, sexy. Let's go. And we are here. So I'm gonna take my sword. Yeah, just come watch me train, and then tomorrow we'll definitely go pick up the car. Hey, about to say hi, so weird. Ava's here, and we are gonna train today. This thing's on the gimbal, so I'm just testing it out. It's like trying to track me. Sorry guys, my eyes are, there we go. You're gonna do kicks, right?
Yeah, kicks.
You're gonna flip. Oh my god. I guess that's a no. You'll see me teach her kicks whenever you should try flipping, but
okay.
We'll try trick combo. Put it that way. We'll try trick combo and we'll go from there. Shit, it's Vaughn. Boom. Well, vlog on the phone because camera's broken. Yeah. Ready? All right, let's go. All right, let's see if she can do all the kicks I just showed her. Let's go. Stand back. Keep going. Oh, don't kick me! See, she got it this time. Damn it! All right, spin back quick. Go. Hey, what's up controlling me? Dude, damn kicks. Ah, woman!
See, it's gonna hard for you too.
No, that's my bad side. Let's see if she got it this time. Let's go. Why are you over here? Okay, just taught her the machine. Let's go. Ah, oh, come on, do it again. Oh, there we go. Oh, she got it. Well, alright, me and Ava are done twining. I still have more stuff to do, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey, the camera's working. Fuck yeah. Alright guys, I'm not using my phone, but right now it is currently 6, picking up the homegirl right now. But I think she's still getting dressed. I don't want to wake everybody up. These houses are so nice. Alright, see you in a bit. Alright guys, we made it. Hey! What's up, man? I think this one's the girl thing out of It's okay. It's okay. There we go. It's okay. You know what, right now I'm just gonna go show you guys the car. It's a little beaten down, it's dirty, it's dusty, we're gonna clean it, but here, let's show you guys what I'm working with. Alright guys, I just want to give a really quick shout out to the homie Greg. He hooked it up with that piece for the car, the ECU, and then I went to go pick up that clutch cable. Greg, if you're watching this, thank you, bro. Guys, I am filming on my phone because that keeps dying, but I got the fuel injectors, the seals for the fuel injectors. Greg, thank you with the ECU and the backing. I have some fuel injectors, so that way I can clean those or whatever ones I have on the car, and a little bit of oil just in case. Darrel has the clutch cable and he's yammering like usual. Homegirl Ariel, say hi Ariel. There we go.
Yo.
Gonna help me drive Panda back, and yes, there's Darrel again. And then okay. But yeah, we are at Darrel's house. His Subaru, his RSX, and he has a bunch more cars everywhere else. Just a little disappointed because my camera just, it's the temperature gauge going up, and it's not even hot out here. I know we're in the desert, but it's not hot. I think there's something wrong with it, but I know the first thing I'm gonna do to this car is replace this. I don't know what happened with the previous owner, except for the fact that his apartment complex. People hated him and he threw a rock. I'm gonna probably tape it up. But right now we're gonna pop the hood and get to work so that way we can start driving back. And I need the key. I don't have the key. Hold on, I'll be right back. So I had the key in my pocket the whole time. They're all laughing at me over there. So let's see how this. Yay! Ooh. Oh my God, this interior. I already got a steering wheel. That's hella smaller than the one I have on Panda. I'm happy with the dash. I mean, except for that one crack right there, but I'm not worried about that. But good thing we have all the parts. Yeah, let's pop the trunk. Oh God, this thing's heavy. Ugh. So the trunk's not gonna stay, so I will be replacing these thingies here. I forgot the name of them because I am extremely tired, you guys. I have not slept in days. This backing's okay, and I will put a stronger flooring. Let's just see if it has a spare. No spare, but I have one in Panda just in case, because this car definitely needs some. Hey, it stayed up. Like I was saying, definitely need some tires. They're all ditching me to get something to drink. I'm not thirsty right now. Here it is. Again, the 92 Acura Integra. A lot of people that know me personally would know why I'm getting this car again. Personal thing for myself, I want to do a completely different build that I'm doing on that car. Something similar body wise, but as far as paint and interior stuff, completely different. And this will be a good start. But for now, I'll use this as my daily. I can work on Panda a lot more. So this car is the 92 Acura Integra, also known as Panda-Xai. So this is Panda-Xai. So now you guys know that's what I'll be calling this car. Alright people, put the fuel injectors in, put the battery in. But I had a single cam ECU and got the proper one for this car. A few things I had in this car already, and they're kind of recent installs. Oh, the horn works. My hand is definitely like the same size as the steering wheel. I got a short shifter installed, and that's why it's so shiny. I have a stage 2 clutch in here. Right now, since everything's in, I am going to try starting the car now. But I don't know where I did with the keys. I think they're in Panda. Alright, here's the key. Even though it's been here at his house, because he has a really big open lot, someone left this car here at his house because they didn't want it there at their house, and they brought the car with only 8 lug nuts. Believe that? Just so, this is what I had to do. I had some extra spikes from Panda, and yeah, and also a key. So I had 4 of these and 3 of these. So every wheel had only 2 bolts in that way, and that's the way how they brought the car to Darrel. So every one of these damn things has a spike and a key lug. And the new clutch cable, I'm gonna fasten that down. I'm just trying to get that seal in there in place. So far so good. You know, I know one of my fuel injectors has a small crack. The old one, like right there, that little nipple right there, has a tiny like hair crack, but the other 3 are perfect. So I cleaned the little holes on all of them, so I get out all the dirt and dust. I'm gonna put it in right now and then start it up. That was me. All right, so put some fuel injector cleaner inside the Lucas fuel injector cleaner, and we put probably about 2 gallons or a gallon of gas in it right now. So I'm gonna start it up. We're gonna move it over there to the pressure wash, clean the engine, because I don't like this like dusty and leaves and stuff. And what's also cool is that I have these JDM headlights. I didn't know that. I thought I had the piece one. So in another video I'll probably show how to restore and take off this yellow. Okay. put a knob on. We found a knob. There we go. Oh, hell yeah. So far, everything looks better, sounds a lot better. Happy with this. Have a pretty intense idea about it, but you guys gotta stay subscribed to find out what is going to happen to this 90T Acura Integra, otherwise known as Panda-Xai. We're gonna drive back, and I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, I finished up the interior. I put all these panels. I figure out what I'm gonna do about that. Probably go to the junkyard later, put all these panels and stuff back on. I know the seats look dirty, but they're as clean as they can be. I cleaned and vacuumed and scrubbed everything. And as for that window, I taped the shit out of that window, so nothing will fall and cave in when I am driving back home. I can see through all windows. Hella clear, because I can see through, well, there's no window there. Hello. It almost looks like you guys are not in a window. Oh god. Oh god. I don't know, these guys are little kids when it comes to the camera. Oh, damn. Darrel over here getting busy. The ram header, I probably might do something like this. If you guys want me to do something like this, comment down below. Damn.
Kind of dirty. I haven't cleaned in a while.
But you can't even tell right now. That's fucking dope. Still in there. Man, a race car driver now. Yeah, don't feel free to mess with the settings, because she's definitely gonna have to drive this car back for me. I'm gonna end it here for right now because I need to eat something. We're gonna drive back because that sun is gonna go down real soon. And I want to give a quick shout out to the homie Jeff for hooking me up with this shirt. I love it a lot. It's comfortable, it's nice. He hooked me up with some other shirts as well, but you guys will see those in other vlogs. This one is just, check out how she's just chilling. You just chilling. See, this one loves the camera. This one right here. Every time I bring out the camera, she shows up. This one, she's a little shy. You guys, for real now. I need to start driving soon, so I'll see you guys back at the house. All right, people, I am hella tired. I'm here with the homegirl Noi, one that beats me up all the time. And Ariel.
Yo, stop. That means.
We just finished eating, and I just want to say
I just had a drink.
Get out here. Oh yeah, you guys can see it right there. Panda-Xai made it all the way. What, 2 hours?
2 hours.
2 hour drive, and she drove Panda like a champ, so that was dope. So what we're gonna do is close out this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.
Peace.